I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hi guys, just wanted to let you guys know like two things. One, I am in a different place. You guys would be seeing more vlogs in here for the next week because Vlogmas ends this week. I just wanted to let you guys know that today is Vlogmas day 18. Wow, can't believe it. Day 18. That's in 5 days. Vlogmas ends in 5 days, people. It ends in 5 days. Anyway, so yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get to it. Keep on. Oops, don't touch it. Hi guys, it's me, Eden, and in today's video I have a very special thing. I'm not even gonna cut this video. I got my new iPad Air tablet. I did just get it like maybe 2 minutes ago. I'm already filming when I'm supposed to be eating, which I put my food away. I ate a donut, and I didn't even finish my food. And now, I'm filming this video. And, yeah. I really should not have ate that donut before I finished my food. Ugh. Okay. So guys, this is the old tablet I'm still keeping it, but I guess it's my old one now, so. My tablet my old tablet, whatever you want to call it, my old tablet, the tablet. Honestly, I don't care. Anyway, here's the tablet I've been using for probably since I was around 6 or 7, so yeah, that's how long it is. This one, actually, I have not taken out the case in a long time, but you can already tell the case has been used for years. I've had stickers on here, and most of them came off. Right now, I'm just putting a music thing here so it can stay on. But if I take it out the case, I've never really taken this out the case. Never really. Ooh. Mine is, oh my god, oh, that's a sticker. Mine is a Amazon Fire tablet. My sister has like one of the latest versions of it. But anyway, and yes, I did buy this tablet by myself. I did not ask for my mother or my grandma. Well, actually, technically, my grandma's the one who gave me the money, but anyway, that's not the point. So yeah, that's my old tablet. Now, to unbox this. Holy moly. Okay. Please don't. I don't want to say, oh God, my money again. Oh my God. Actually, I want to film this moment. Oh, gosh. Okay, you guys can kind of see. Not really. You can't see what's inside. I can't see what's inside. I don't want to see what's inside, but you guys look. Can't really see. Okay. Okay, guys, ready? Oh, this is interesting. Okay, there you go. And okay, it's clear. Okay. That's it. Okay. We have that. Okay, forget the hair. Ooh. I don't even want to look at it. Hey guys, there's your peek. Okay, I'm gonna film something real quick. I hope you guys actually saw it because I didn't see it. So. Okay, I'm just gonna put you guys down. I don't really know how to do this right now. I actually want to keep this box. Okay, I'm gonna turn you down a bit more. Okay, let's see, what is this? Important, please remove your... What is it? Is this the ID thing? Okay. I'm not getting rid of this, whatever that's supposed to mean. Okay, it does come with like the plug, like the adapt, like the USB thingy. We'll open that soon. No, yeah, let's just open this one. Comes with this really nice bubble wrap. It actually has bubbles. It actually has the apple sign. It is a true apple. I hope it is actually, but anyway. Oh, I just can't do this. Oh, you can't be losing battery. No. Oh. Okay. Ready? Moment of truth. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god, it's so huge! Guys, it's so cold! But look at that! This is the worst day of my life! I wish I had a case! Okay, I renounced your juice. Let's see if what this feels like. Okay, good. Oh my crazy god. Okay, so that's how it feels. It feels normal, but anyway. Oh my gosh, I just hit it. That's just not cool at all. Oh my gosh, okay. No. Ah, I'm ruining its glory. This is, oh no, there we go again. Oh. I got it in like red because that was the only color. Let's see if it turns on now. Don't know how long I'm supposed to press it for. It might be dead. I think it's dead. Guys, it turned on. It says bonjour, cause that's also another ha. That's in whatever weird language. No, it's not weird. Oh my god, I didn't want to say a different word. I was about to say hello. It's working. I just don't know how to keep you guys. I guess I'll just be able to do it while it's charging. Cause apparently, yeah. Okay. Ah! Press home to open. That's what it says. Guys, you really cannot really see it right now, but I'm so sorry you can't really see. Hold on, I'm trying to see. I've neglected one. Actually, no, I could just put you up here. Yeah, I said I was gonna charge you. It's okay, do it later. This is a lot more exciting than charging my camera. Oh my god. Pressing it. Oh, it's already at 54%. Interesting. Okay. Now I'm just setting it up like a phone, like an iPhone. So, English. United States, blah, 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 blah. Quick start. I do not have any of them. So set up manually. Oh shoot, I don't even know the password. Okay. I'm finished setting up with all the boring information. And now, right now it says welcome to iPad, get started. And, oh my gosh! Holy moly! There you go. Get a little input. Woo, that's cool. Okay, I want to explore this baby. The one thing I'm not seeing is iMovie. That's what I'm not seeing right now.